artwork's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
The transformer room, this is where I think the way the dude got electrocuted.
Oh, no shit. This is where he died, huh?
Yeah, I think. But they said it was transformers or something.
Yeah, yeah. That makes sense.
This is it doesn't go too far in, but
Right.
I don't know the actual locations of their deaths, but yeah, he said that he felt something in here.
Oh, no shit. That shit looks trippy.
And then he said it was caution tape, police tape.
No shit.
So I don't know if someone was.
Horses.
See right here, my feet. It's up to my ankles. Yeah, it could have been. It probably is bad to breathe.
And I brought the worst shoes.
Yeah.
That's a way to go, too.
I'm not gonna walk in there because it's fucking.
We hear
ruined.
you.
You notice there's not a lot of tagging in here? Like,
Nah.
you would think it would be full.
This is too dusty for my feet.
Yeah. That's true. It's probably under the dust.
It's probably like. Yeah, it's just really, really dusty in here. I guess it's really bad to breathe. There's cement in. But I guess the process in which they made the cement was they get the limestone out of the earth and they crush it into the fine powder. And yeah, pretty crazy actually.
I get my shoes so dirty. Yeah, definitely is very eerie. Not safe to be breathing in that shit. So there's numerous structures around here we're going to check out. So I think personally, what was that?
What was that?
Something thrown.
My voice is heard.
Wow.
What the fuck was that, dude?
It just said my voice is heard after the something. It was something thrown. It sounded.
It sounded like somebody, like, yeah, threw something at us.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Damn, that was crazy.
But I know that it's possible that Robert fell to his death in there, and Charles was electrocuted in the transformer room. We know that because he was working on a transformer. That's the room. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're gonna have a look at this other
Don't
section.
antagonize.
I'm not antagonizing. Where our friend Cryptid Hunter, once again, he was doing an investigation here, and he had some experience. And apparently, not too long after this place was shut down, a body was discovered here, and it would be the third death here. And they had caution tape set up and everything, so we're going to check that out. That might be pretty interesting up there, so we'll go and check it out.
Williams, huh?
We haven't got like phones or anything like that. No, they're all in.
Distract.
You hear that?
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
I didn't get that. I just turned the camera off. Was that from up above?
I don't know, but it was out here somewhere.
You know the thing about this location as well?
What's
There's
that?
no like birds or bats or
Yeah,
anything.
that's
There's
true.
no sign of life.
That's true.
It's all just, normally you see like pigeons flying out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Flapping wings, something.
Yeah.
I'm listening to everything.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. All right, so we're walking up to this other location here. Now this isn't recorded, this death. I can't find any information about this particular person that was discovered here after this place shut down. But locals talk about this person that was found up here. So this is the location here. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. Okay, so we have the Echo Box here set up for you. We have a K2 and then we have a rampart in the hallway. If you want to come up and speak to us, if you're outside, you can set the rampart off and let us know that you're here. You're welcome to come on in here and try to communicate with us. We have Mike here. You've been able to manipulate that K2. You set it off to yellow before. We have the night vision here as well. What was your name? George? There's a lot of speaking going on there. How old were you, sir? Where Mike is, where he's standing right there. That's where your body was found. Am I correct? Won't you make that K2 go off to yellow? So why don't you come up to Mike and approach Mike, come into the hallway. We heard noises before. How long were you dead before you were found? Electrocuted. I think that's the best bit. There doesn't seem to be too much activity in this particular location. Whether this story is manufactured or not, we're not going to speculate. So we'll go into the next location now. We'll bring all our equipment and we'll see if we can communicate with Robert first and leave Mike alone in the dark. You put that over your eyes. You'd be standing here.
What was that?
Huh?
Yeah, I heard a noise right around when you put those in. That was fucking crazy.
Anything that you hear,
What?
just say it.
Okay. No problem.
So,
That's scary.
and
Why would you put those in?
I'll ask questions, but you won't hear my questions.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Alright. I just stand right here.
Yeah, I'll get a shot set up. So am I standing in the location in which your body was found? Right here? We don't know much about you, but according to locals, that you were found up here and you had been deceased for quite a while. And what was your name, sir? Where are you from? Did you live in Las Vegas? Wait.